Kiddushas Levi says something unbelievable in Parshas Emor. Mishenivra ha'olam. From when the world was created, Afalpi, even though that Hashem made neflois gedolos, Hashem did many wonders in the world. Kigoin b'mei hamabel, He made a mabel, ma'asadar haflaga, hafeiches toim ba'amayra. Hashem did crazy stuff. He punished the world in many different ways. Listen to these words: Adayin loy chazar shum odam b'tshuva memaisim halalu. Not one person came back to tshuva. You throw him out of the house, you cut off his money, doesn't work. Now, he didn't get one guy to say, oh my gosh, I'm going to go serve Hashem. Isn't that amazing? Fascinating. V'amnam mitzias Mitzrayim mitoyvois habayre baruch hu liYisrael az hikiru v'havinu v'eskilu as habayre baruch hu. But when it came to Yitzias Mitzrayim, and Hashem protected us, and He saved us, and He fought for us, and we didn't deserve it. We remember Shari Tuma, Dam, Tzvardeya, Kinim, Oroi, make sure my kids are protected. We didn't deserve it. He says, then all of a sudden we realized, do abayrai. Isn't that amazing? But from all of the difficulties and tough stand, let's say the words again, Lo chazar shum adam b'tshuva mimaisam halalu. Fascinating. Now one guy did tshuva. Noach was a, what? Kiddushas Levi. Noach, he says, that was his madrega beforehand. And Avram, he was tzaddik mikaroi. But he didn't come, no, not one guy said, oh, I see. Did you what happened to Stein? You heard what happened to Stein? Let's do tshuva. Not one guy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.